This is Mark Summers from Summers Technical Services. I'm going to do another tutorial today in Solidworks. This time we're going to be doing exploded view of a RF load tray we've already put together. So as I start the exploded view, we need to learn about the configuration manager up here at the top left. Under the configuration manager is where our different exploded views go, and they're assigned to different configurations. So since we've only got one configuration, we'll select it and hit exploded view, and we'll start our first exploded view on the default configuration. Get some nice instructions over here on the left panel. What we want to do in general is select these parts and then pull this triad to pull the components in the direction you want them to go. So we'll start off by pulling these fasteners down about 3 inches. And every time we let go of it, it's ready for another set of parts to be exploded. As we do this, we need to think about moving things in reverse order. And at the end, you'll see what that the order selection, my decisions here. So I'm going to select 4 parts. I can select them, it populates them in the tree there. On the last part, I pull the triad in the direction I want to go. I pull these up about 6 inches and continue selecting a new set, these 3, 2 standoffs and an RF component. And I'll pull them forward, maybe 3 inches. And then the 2 standoffs, I'll pull them back down, say 3 inches. Continuing on with the screws that hold the handle on, I'll grab these 4 items, fastener, washer, fastener, washer. So I've got 4 parts there. And I want to pull them back about 1/2 inch. I'm going to select them again and pull them up maybe 1 inch. And then select the 2 fasteners for the last move and pull them forward about 1 inch. Now I'll pull the handle forward, select it, pull it a couple inches. Now I'm ready for these capture blocks. I'll pull the fasteners up first. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I select the wrong part, I can right click and remove it over here in the tree. I'll pull these up, say 3 inches. And now I'll pull the blocks up a couple inches. Now I'll move to this lower plate. First thing I'll do is pull these fasteners up. Got a fastener, a flat, and a split lock washer. So I'll select all 4 pairs of those 3 parts for a total of 12. There we go. So I'll pull these up 1 inch or so. And then I'll continue by pulling just this fastener and the split lock washer, those 8 components. Whoops. Pull those up another inch or so. And then lastly, just pull the 4 fasteners up. Another inch or so. Now I'll pull this plate down. Whoops, got one I didn't want there, so I just right click on it and say delete. Now I've just got my one plate. Pull it down, say 3 inches. And then lastly, I'll pull this block and these 2 fasteners back about 4 inches. And then the 2 fasteners by themselves, I'll pull those up 1.5 inches or so. Okay, so once I'm done here, I just approve. Now inside my configuration, my default configuration, I've now got this exploded view with all the steps. I can edit these steps individually. Right-click, Edit Feature. I can go in and change the parts that were exploded and or the length, the distance I exploded it. Now that I've got it all exploded, I can actually also do some other interesting stuff. I can select the exploded view, right-click, and I can animate it. You get a little animation going of the assembly. And you got several options. You can do a one direction. You can do a loop playback, and you can change the speed. You can speed it up, slow it down, or you could do this reciprocate, where it puts it together and takes it apart. It's kind of nice visual. And you can also save these animations as AVI files if you like. So that should take care of our most recent tutorial showing how to do exploded views. So stay tuned in the future for additional SolidWorks Inventor and Pro E tutorials from Summers Technical Services.